If you are looking for a place to keep your emergency fund, you might have heard of a money market account. Let's break it down. The core benefit of these accounts is liquidity, which is just a fancy way of saying how easily you can access your cash. Money market accounts are typically backed by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, meaning your money is protected up to $250,000. These accounts act like a hybrid, offering the interest potential of a savings account with the convenient access of a checking account. While both accounts are safe, money market accounts usually provide more flexibility for your day-to-day spending needs. Interest rates fluctuate based on the broader economy, but money market rates often sit higher than standard savings accounts at major banks. Remember that these accounts are best used for short-term goals or emergency reserves rather than long-term wealth building. Check with your local bank to see if a money market account fits your current financial strategy. Thanks for learning with us today.